I'm Jim Smith. Thanks for caring about who becomes our next judge. Enjoy this short video.
Hi, my name is Abby Rigdon, and I'd like to take this opportunity to talk to you about my friend Jim Smith, who's running for judge here in Berks County. I'm a Berks County resident. I live here with my husband Scott and our 2 children in the Wilson School District, and I've known Jim now for approximately 14 years. We met when we were both young attorneys in our first jobs out of law school. He was an assistant district attorney and I was an assistant public defender, and we were working together almost on a daily basis, I think, at that point in time, and quickly became friends as well as colleagues. Jim was married, he had young children at home, and was extremely hardworking. Like a lot of people did at that point in time, some of us got second jobs to supplement our income because starting salaries for county government weren't all that high. So Jim, in addition to being an assistant district attorney by day, would work a few nights a week bussing tables at the crab barn. He was doing everything he could to make sure that his family was well taken care of. He was extremely humble. You wouldn't know during the day when you'd see him in his business suit that in the evening he was behind the scenes at the crab barn. But he needed to do what he could to bring in some extra money to make sure his family was well taken care of. In addition to bringing more money in, I think he was trying to keep extra money from going out, as he was known to bring home the unsold shrimp bisque at the end of a long shift for dinner for the next day. In fact, I think maybe he did a little too often because I think Jen was extremely pleased when it came time for him to start teaching at Penn State Berks rather than working at the crab barn. And even now, if you ask her if she wants shrimp bisque, she kind of hesitates a little bit. Jim has humble roots, but I think that those anchor his balanced judgment. He listens to you, he hears what you're saying, and he considers that before he gives you the answer. It may not always be what you want to hear, but he has a strong moral compass and he follows through. You have 2 votes for judge, and I think that one of those votes should go to Jim Smith because he's honest, he's hardworking, and he's humble. And I think that that's what we need in a judge here in Berks County. Thank you.
I'm Jim Smith, and I'm thankful for this person's testimony. And of course, I approve this message.